In this video, I will show you how to add location sticker on Snapchat. Firstly, you need to open up your side section on your profile on Snapchat. Then you need to tap right here on third selection to get up to that camera access. And when you get right there, you need to get that photo on it, or you can select it from your gallery. It doesn't matter about that setup. And then simply you need to go right here on the third button, which is for that sticker sites. And here, guys, you can find out a lot of sticker sites which are also included by getting that location sticker. Now if you go on that last selection right over there, and right here if you scroll down, you can find out a lot of sites in which you can include also that setup, which is by just tapping here and saying location, or typing location, and just go on that search box, and now on these Giphy sites it will shows up that selection which is related into your interest. Now here you will need to wait. For example, we'll go with this one. Yeah, also I need to wait because as you can see this site hasn't been used so far, and this is why it needs some time to take over that side section for this sticker.